Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw money from Kraken to your bank account. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, you have to make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So yeah, first you will have to open the Kraken app or the website if it is available for you. And then what you will have to do is, of course, sign in and make sure that your account is fully verified because withdrawals require at least intermediate verification in 2025. So, yeah, next you will have to go to portfolio, which you can find from the bottom navigation bar. This shows your total balance and all assets. After that, tap cash at the top tabs. This will display your fiat currencies such as USD, Euro, or others. Then you will tap the currency that you would want to withdraw. This opens the balance page. Tap the withdraw button at the bottom of the screen, and if you don't see it, tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose withdraw. Now you have to select your bank account if this is your first time. Kraken will ask you to add a withdrawal method. Choose bank account and enter your account details. Then you will just have to enter the amount that you would want to withdraw. Then you will review the withdrawal fee, processing time, and bank name to make sure everything is correct. And finally, tap submit withdrawal. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.